Nine simple life hacks for full and expressive lips. Lips are probably the most expressive facial feature. To make our lips bold and attractive, we buy an enormous number of stylish lipsticks, search for beauty bloggers' tutorials, or try the latest cosmetic products. We have gathered the most effective tips that will help you create glamorous lip makeup. To exfoliate your lips, you will need 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, olive oil, or sweet almond oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, shea butter, or Vaseline. Find a small bowl and pour in the oil. Add in the sugar. Pour in some raw honey into a small bowl or cup. Add in the coconut oil, shea butter, or Vaseline. Stir everything together to end up with a thick paste. Apply the scrub to your lips and rub gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse the scrub off and store the rest. For best results, use this scrub once to twice a week. To soften your lips, use a special scrub or a soft toothbrush to cleanse your lips. This kind of massage lets the lipstick cover your lips evenly and smoothly. To define the contour, use concealer to correct the contour of your lips. Hide the natural contour of your lips, then draw a new one with a liner. To blend the colors, it's better to blend out the contour for light daytime makeup. To outline your lip line, use concealer or highlighter to accent the line of your lips and make them look full. To plump your lips, your lips will look much fuller if you outline the corners with a pencil, and then apply some concealer to the middle. A flattering lipstick color. Find a color that works with your skin tone. Do not forget some important things. A pearl lipstick highlights all the flaws of your skin, a matte lipstick can lessen your lips, and a glossy lipstick isn't suitable for some situations. To apply lipstick neatly, it will be easier to draw the contour if you make a cross under your cupid's bow in the middle of your upper lip. Then outline the corners of your lips, and connect the lines. To put an accent in the middle, apply concealer to your lips first, then apply a bold lipstick and blend it out carefully. This makeup will look really delicate and tender. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.